How to generate a document. On the home page, go to the top right corner and click on the pencil icon. Now pick a course where you would like the document to be added. We will choose AI Essentials. Now click Select. Now click on New Document. Here you can copy and paste text, or you can type in text. In this case, we will type in, "Write a document about AI data and its uses." Click Enhance. Now you can select the tone, writing style, and length. Click Enhance Document. If you like what you see, click Apply Changes. Now you can preview the generated document. Here, you can enhance again, save, export, PDF, cancel, or edit. This is how to generate a document.